Yo guys, what's up? Alvin Mark here. You're tuned to my art channel. How is it going? Here's recapping what happened during the last Urban Sketches Singapore meetup at the end of the year. Traditionally, during this time, we head to Orchard Road for some sketching action. And there's our team leader, Patrick, as he guides those lost sketches to our meeting point.
I've been eyeing this building for a long time. Each time I pass by Somerset Road, I find it's very interesting. So since they are going to have it here, I feel very excited. Even I came down yesterday to take a look at the different angle.
Wow!
Then then I see the weather forecast. Then I see this is a good place that's sheltered and still able to see the good view of this building. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, good stuff. Really good colors there.
Thanks.
It's a drizzly day, gloomy day. Why are you still here today to sketch?
De-stress and meet all the wonderful people from the sketches.
What are you sketching today?
The post office. A nice little post office over there. Yeah.
What's so special about this post office?
It's quaint. I like it because it's it's a very nice little building, in the middle of all this urban jungle. You get this small little building with all the lush greenery all around it. Yeah. Yep.
What are you using to make your sketch today?
It's an outline marker.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
It's gonna be black and white again.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Have fun. That's good, that's good. Ciao, come va? Sì. Oi. Wow.
Very tired already.
Wow.
I did this earlier.
Oh wow, I haven't even started. Yeah.
Because you're busy.
Yeah, wow.
pictures
Oh,
for us.
nice color choice. All the
Thank
blues.
you. Uh-huh.
Well done. Can you?
Hello.
Okay. Wow, wow, what are you using? This looks interesting. Is this from Japan?
Yeah, the Japanese brand.
Wow.
Not cheaper.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, this color is vibrant now. Okay, it doesn't wear off very fast. Because the color is so vibrant.
Yeah, wow.
You dip a little bit already, very good.
The Japanese are good for that because I use Holbein and it's also really bright. Yeah. And hi, we have Camille here. It's been a long time since I saw her stuff. So, can you share? Oh wait, beautiful mask. Where do you get it from?
Thank you so much. I got it last week at Baghdad Street. I was there eating with close to the Baghdad Street, close to the mosque. So where there all these little shop houses and restaurants are, and I was just touring around with my family. So we got in a shop and bought one for me and one for my daughter.
Okay, so
just to change up a bit, right?
Batik, yeah.
Right.
Brings out the color. So, what are you using today for your piece?
I'm using watercolor, so pen and watercolor basically.
Okay.
I wanted to give a go to this house, which is now covered by this track, but before it was there. I loved the little paper umbrella that were there. I saw it by a friend of mine last week. She was here painting, and so I saw her sketch and say, I have to give it a go as well.
What kind of brushes do you use?
These are these Escoda portable brushes that you can just fold, and they're quite easy to carry.
Thank you. It was a gloomy morning, it was drizzling. What made you decide, okay, I just come here?
I just had to move out of the house and go because it's not so far away from my place, and I said, well, if I don't try at least once a month to go out and sketch with the others, otherwise I don't do it ever. So.
What inspired you to do gouache for this piece?
Recently I just picked up gouache. I was trying watercolor and I thought it was a bit too unforgiving for me at the moment. So I decided to use something that was I can layer on slowly. Yeah, I was doing watercolor mostly, so it was more unforgiving.
Okay, thank you. Good stuff, good study.
Thank you.
It's your first time here?
Oh no, this is my first year.
Okay, have fun. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Thank you.
Nice weather also. After seeing all these wonderful sketches from these wonderful people, it is time to get some paint on canvas. The sun peeked through suddenly in the last 10 minutes of this session. I'm gonna give you a backstory about this area, why it's called Emerald Hill. In fact, the whole of Orchard Road, from the word Orchard Road, this was a nutmeg plantation. At one point, at its peak, there were about 95,000 nutmeg trees here in Singapore, and all owned by the cultivators of this spice that originates from Banda. And we all know where Banda is. I just finished editing the whole entire series of my trip there, so you guys know.
This one red,
Yeah.
but this morning was terumbu.
Oh wow! This is your second piece.
That one is taken, but this is the first one. This one you see here.
Yeah.
I don't know how to specify.
Oh.
This for Vincent, I want this from you,
So
but this one is too much.
So sometimes when people pass or something interesting, a post that they're doing that's quite interesting, I just put them in and it's okay if the lines are there. I don't.
Too bad.
Yeah.
Do again.
But that's really awesome. Thank you. So we all know that from history, Raffles brought in the first few nutmeg seeds and trees into Singapore in 1819 from Bencoolen. The whole idea was to squash, destroy the Dutch monopoly of the spice trade. It did flourish in the 1830s, 1840s, but at some point by the 1860s, some say it was a beetle. Others said that it was due to poor cultivating knowledge that all the crops were destroyed by 1862. And action! So there we go, the nutmeg. This is definitely the largest nutmeg here in Singapore, maybe in Southeast Asia. And it's interesting, it's situated here at Orchard Road, just at the junction of Penang Road. And that is where nutmeg still flourishes, because the British did take the nutmeg seed all the way to Penang. And if you've been there to the back of Penang Island, in a place called Balik Pulau, it's interesting that the nutmeg is situated here. So guys, I stayed until the evening. You know, there were a lot of passers-by, and I actually caused many of them to turn their heads and look at the sculpture and wonder what that was. In fact, mother and child came to me, and the child asked me what the fruit or what this thing is. The first question she asked me was, "Is that a bicycle helmet?" Yo guys, thanks for joining us this episode as we cover Christmas at Orchard Road. If you like my stuff, you know what to do. Subscribe and like and do comment if you want to. I hope you guys are doing well. This is Alvin Mark on behalf of USKSG from Singapore. Until the next episode, ciao guys.